Your engine is screaming for help. Steam is pouring from under the hood, and that temperature needle is pegging in the red. Listen up. I'm about to walk you through the top warning signs of low or no coolant and exactly how to fix them fast before your engine fries. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Symptom number 1, overheating engine or high temperature gauge. The first warning sign is your temperature needle jumping toward H. When there's low coolant, your engine can't stay cool, so it starts to overheat fast. Without coolant, the engine gets too hot. It can even boil over or lock up completely. Solution: pull over right away. Turn off the engine. Let it cool down fully. Then slowly open the radiator cap and add coolant, or water if you don't have coolant. Also check the hoses and reservoir. Fill them to the right level. This will usually stop the overheating and save your engine. Symptom number 2, coolant leak. Puddles under the car. After parking, take a quick look under your car. If you spot a puddle, is it green, orange, or pink? That's not water. That's your coolant leaking out. This means your system has a leak, maybe a cracked radiator, a damaged hose, or even just a loose cap. In an emergency, you can wrap the leak with strong tape, or use radiator sealant to slow it down. But remember, that's just a temporary fix. The real solution? Replace the broken part, like a new hose or a tighter cap. After the fix, top up the coolant to the right level. No more puddles means your engine is safe again. Symptom number 3, steam or smoke from under the hood. You're driving, and suddenly you see white steam or smoke coming from under the hood, or even from the exhaust pipe. This is a big warning. It means your coolant is leaking and touching hot parts of the engine, turning into steam. And if it's really bad, it could be a blown head gasket, which can send smoke out the back of your car too. Solution? First, turn off the engine and let it cool down completely. Then, open the radiator cap slowly and add coolant. Now check for leaks. Look at the hoses, radiator, or gaskets. Sometimes you'll even smell something sweet. That's leaking coolant. Use your nose and eyes to track the leak. Symptom number 4, dashboard coolant warning light. That coolant light on your dashboard, it's not just for show, it's your car crying for help. If this light turns on, treat it like a red alert. It means your coolant is low and the engine is in danger. Solution is simple: let the engine cool down. Then open the hood and check the coolant level. Top it up to the right mark. Most of the time, the light will go off once the system is full again. Symptom number 5, no heat in cabin. Your engine is hot, but inside the car, the heater blows cold air. That's a big warning sign. Your heater uses hot coolant to warm the cabin. So, if coolant is low, there's no heat. The solution? Top up the coolant and turn your heater on full blast. This helps push out trapped air from the system. Once it's full and the air is gone, your heater should start blowing hot again. If not, it could mean a bigger leak or even a blown head gasket. In that case, it's time to see a pro. Bonus tip: don't trust myths. Coolant isn't just water. It's a special mix that prevents rust and handles heat. In an emergency, water is okay for a short time, but it's not a real fix. And those stop leak products? They're just temporary band-aids. The real fix is to replace the damaged part, like a hose, radiator, or gasket. Because here's the truth: driving with low coolant can destroy your engine. Fix it early or pay the price later. And that's your coolant warning wrap-up. If this video saved your engine, smash that like, hit subscribe for more car-saving tips. Drop a comment below. What's the worst coolant issue you faced?